In this video, I'm going to show you my 4 best neck decompression stretches so you can decompress your neck or self-traction your neck at home. You'll need no special equipment, no devices, and you won't even need a Y-strap. My name is Dr. Jon Saunders. I'm a chiropractor in Newmarket, Ontario, Canada. If you like the content I'm uploading, show some support by giving a thumbs up to this video. And maybe, if you'd like, please hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell so you can be informed when I upload a new video. All of us at some point in time has suffered from neck pain, shoulder pain, and even mid-back pain. Gravity is constantly acting on us. And when we sit or move with poor posture, and you combine that with gravity pushing down on us, it makes us feel hunched. It almost feels like our head is being pushed down onto our thorax, squishing our neck, making us have that turtleneck appearance and causing significant tightness, pain, and stiffness. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 self-traction for your neck, or how to decompress your neck in the comfort of your home. These 4 movements will address many different tissues in the neck. The joint capsules at the back, the discs at the front. Even if you have a disc bulge, some of these can be beneficial for you, or an irritated nerve. We're also going to show you how to stretch out a ligament that sits at the front of the neck. We're also going to stretch out some muscles both at the front, the back, and the sides. Once you've tried out all 4 self-traction movements, you should gravitate to the one that feels the best for you. Before I show you my 4 best neck decompression stretches, I need to put a disclaimer here. Your neck is a very sensitive area in your spine, and some of these will not be appropriate for you. So if you know you have an underlying spinal condition, degenerative disc disease, a disc bulge, if you've had surgery or you have hardware in your neck, or if you have rheumatoid arthritis or even osteoporosis, some of these movements will not be for you. So please check with your primary health provider before attempting any of these self-traction stretches. We're going to start with a very simple but effective neck decompression stretch. So first, we're going to make sure that we're sitting up nice and tall. So we don't want to have a slouch. We're going to sit up nice and tall. The first thing we're going to do with this neck elongation stretch is we're going to pull our shoulders back. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to pull our shoulders down. So you need to visualize your shoulder blades coming back and down. This in itself will start to traction the bottom of your neck, because you're going to be pulling your shoulders and the lower neck away from the upper part of your neck. So very simply, we're going to pull our shoulders back, pull them down, and hold. This is a very good lower neck traction stretch. The next part of this stretch is we're going to take our chin and we're going to pull and tuck. Pretend there's a string on the top of your head and it's being pulled up. And we're going to try to elongate our spine when we're doing this. So we're going to pull our shoulders back, down, tuck our chin, and pull up. You're going to make yourself a double chin there, but that's okay. You will even feel this down into the mid-thoracic spine. A fantastic neck decompression stretch. You're going to hold this for 10 to 15 seconds and repeat between 5 and 10 sets. For the second decompression neck stretch, we're going to do it in 2 ways. The first part will be to stretch out the front of the neck and the discs deep inside. This is done very easily on a bench like this, on a couch, or even your bed. You want to start with your head securely on the surface, and we're going to shift back slowly and just go to your comfort level. So some of you might be comfortable just with slight extension. I prefer to come all the way back and use the weight of your head to help elongate the muscles at the front, and it opens up the anterior part of the disc, or the front of the discs in the neck. And you hold this for 15 to 30 seconds, maybe even up to a minute. What you want to note though is when you get off, you want to just come back up again very slowly and just rest a minute before you sit up. A good thing to mention right now is if any of these decompression stretches give you any discomfort or cause any dizziness, then you should stop immediately. The second way to do the neck hang decompression stretch is we're going to be on our stomachs, or we're going to be lying prone. This is going to stretch the back of the neck. And this is really good for people that have cervicogenic headaches or headaches that stem in the neck. So we're gonna start on our stomachs. We're gonna come with our arms back, and we're going to shift slowly up. And again, we're gonna use the weight of our head, and we're just gonna slowly come down. Relax the tissues. Breathe nice and slowly and deeply, and you will feel a stretch. You should feel the stretch, as I say, in the back of your neck. Hold this for 15 seconds up to 60 seconds. And when it's rest time, again, you're going to come up very slowly. And for the third at-home self-neck traction, we're going to need a towel. A towel just outside shoulder width apart. Very simply, we're going to take the back of the towel, place it around the neck, and what you're going to do is you're going to feel it will sit in basically in the mid part to the upper part of your neck. You're going to slightly extend your head like this, and all we're going to do is traction up. You'll find the best groove kind of at the back of your neck as to where it will fit. But again, you're going to hold this for 15 to 30 seconds. You can do this up to 5 sets. This towel traction stretch will help stretch the back of the neck. It's going to pull the discs apart, pull the joints apart, and you might even feel it deep in the neck. Again, as long as there's no pain or any dizziness elicited when you do this, then you're okay. In order to traction the side of the neck, the towel works perfectly. What you're going to do is you're going to keep it in the same spot, but we're going to shorten one end. Actually, let me take my glasses off for this one. You're going to shorten one end, so we're going to be stretching the right side of the neck. We're going to pull this up just on our ear, over our forehead. We're going to pull it with the top arm around. Fix the short end of the hand. I'm going to pull it slightly around. Don't be compressing yourself. You're going to cut the blood supply off to your brain. That would not be a good thing. You're not twisting. You're just slightly coming in, and most of the pressure is on the top of the forehead. And just let your neck move into that stretch. This stretch you're going to feel on the side and even the back of the upper part of the neck on the side you're stretching. Now for the opposite side, we're going to shorten it on the opposite side. Again, it's fixed here. We're going to bring this up over the ear on the forehead, and we're going to come around and just keep that fixed. So you're going to get a little rotation and traction. This one feels really good. Again, there's no jerking. It's very slow and controlled. You're not compressing anything. It's more of a rotation with a little bit of up pressure, and you'll feel it really open up the side of the neck that you're stretching. And finally, the last one is using your elbows as a fulcrum to be able to have some neck decompression in the comfort of your home. One of the best surfaces I find is your bed and being on your knees. It's very soft. So the very first thing we're going to do, we're going to take the back of our hands, we're going to cup the back of our skull, arms rested, and as we come up, we're going to drop down and pull up like a tricep extension almost. And just very gently traction your neck. So you're just leaning down, and the function of your arms pushing up is just going to gently traction your neck. And there's a variety of ways you can put your hands. Find the most comfortable for you. Some people use the meaty part of their thumbs or their fingers. Just whatever you can get into a comfortable position that you can just gently traction up. And an alternative is we can get our towel out again. Make sure it's wrapped appropriately. Again, let's just put it behind our neck, and we're just going to slowly sit down as we pull up. And you'll know you're doing it properly because you're going to get a great stretch in your neck. So which of these did you find the most helpful, or which one did you like the best? My personal favorites, number 1, the neck elongation stretch, and number 3, the towel stretch. And if you have a question about any of the neck decompression stretches I've just shown you, ask it in the comments. I promise I will answer your question. If you enjoyed this video, check this video right here. This video shows you a great stretch that can help decompress your neck, open up your shoulders, and reduce forward head posture, and even reduce the hump in the back of your neck. Thanks for watching, stay well, and I can't wait to see you on my next video.